Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Chatbase account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to sign into your Chatbase account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address chatbase.co and hit on enter after that. And then you'll be directed to the home page of Chatbase. Now in order to log in from over here, at the top right corner of the screen, there is a login button available for us. Click on the login, and then after landing over here on the login page of the chat page, enter your email address over here. But guys, this is a manual login. You can also log in with an automated way, which is the sign in with Google button over here. If you click on the sign in with Google button, you'll be directed or a login page to your Google account will open. And if you sign in to your respective account, you'll also be logged into your Chatbase account with your Google account. And with that being said, let's enter our email address over here with which we had created an account on the Chatbase. And after that, enter your password, guys. And after entering your password, simply click on sign in. But guys, you have forgotten your password. Click on the forgot your password button available over here to go through a procedure to reset your Chatbase account's password. Or if you want to just click or log in with a click, you can simply click on the send a magic link email. Click on that and email will be sent to your email address over here, and on that email there will be a magic link. If you click on that link, you'll be directly logged into your Chatbase without having to enter a password. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the sign in, and then you'll be logged into your Chatbase account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.